Today on Funtime Production, we're replacing the back brakes on a 2012 Ford Focus SE, and I have the tools to compress the emergency brake back here. Right there is the old brake pad and the coil spring in there. And anyway, we're going to be replacing the back brakes on a 2012 Ford Focus SE. All right. So I'll unscrew the bottom one first. You can untighten this top one a little bit. Just a bit. And loosen this bottom one first. And you can see there's a bit of a gap. Let's see. And now, I'll take them. And now, the moment of truth. So I slipped this off, see? This is around those brakes like that. See? Anyway. Alright, so once you get this off, you pull it out, and then you place it right up there. And it balances. And the cables keep it. And this right here is where we have to compress. Let's take off these brake pads and check them out. This one had some life to it, a little bit left. See that little beef? Yeah, that's all brake pad, but this one, not so much. Anyway, here's the new ones. And this coil one, the spring one, goes on the back. See how it kind of goes an arch right there? That goes on the outside of this arch, just like that. But before putting them on, brush them clean. Brush them clean where? Right here. Now that's compressed down, and this can go away. You pull it off, put it back in its little carrying case. Whole thing can slip on now. Careful not to keep the lines. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's it. Ah, Billy Jenkins. This is a spring-loaded Mamba Jamba. Using my guitar hands. Huh. Let's just see this part. I like to see this. Okay, we're gonna find out. Okay, I'm gonna do the emergency brake first. The brakes. Now it doesn't jiggle, see? That means it's on.